Hello friend, in the previous videos we learned how money has evolved and how many types of money are there. In this video lecture we will know of the nature of money. We will know how money works. We will know what kind of medium is money, etc. etc. We learned in previous video lectures that money is the one that has the quality of being money or does the work of money. Now the question arises, what are the qualities or characteristic features of money? Let's discuss its characteristics. Friend, money should be first of all durable. That is to say, when it is stored, it should never be spoiled or destroyed by itself and thus losing its value. Next, it can be divided into small units to purchase any goods and services irrespective of their being or small. This is not possible in the barter system. The next characteristic of money is that it can be carried easily. It should be liquid. That is to say, it can easily be encashed whenever needed. Money should be approved by the government so that everyone can accept it and use it as a medium of exchange. There should be something on the ground of which one can easily distinguish between fake and genuine currency or money. Even the blind can identify genuine money and its value marked on it. It should also have the ability to repay the loans, debts or payments in future by its approximate value. Money must never lose its purchasing power, and so people can store it without any fear for future use. In today's perspective, the currency or money used by us is called fiat money, which though has no intrinsic value, yet its value determines its actual value. It should be approved by the government so as to be a legal tender. However, nowadays in this digital age, money is also taking its digital form very fast. We must have heard cryptocurrencies or virtual currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., which exist only in digital form. That is to say, such currencies have no physical forms. Credit cards, debit cards, etc. are e-money in which money is stored in electronic mode. Well, now based on the discussion, let's talk about the functions of money. Generally, there are four types of functions of money. Firstly, it easily performs the task of reaching from one hand to the other. That is to say, it is an easy medium of exchange. Secondly, it determines the value of any service or item. For example, the value of a cow can be measured by its units such as 10,000, 20,000, etc. Thirdly, money keeps the store value and gets exchanged for any goods or services at any time in the future at a certain value. Fourthly, it is used to pay off any liabilities or debts in the future. In this way, money works in four different ways. Hope you have understood it. See you again.